Many website owners use forums to boost website traffic. For this reason, there is a demand for paid forum posting. As a paid forum poster, you will get paid with cash or points for each quality post you make. Quality is key here, as no one wants to pay a forum poster to churn out boring, generic topics. You can take advantage of a few established companies to start forum posting today. The first is Postloop. Postloop has a pretty high money earning potential for a small gig, but you can still only make around $100 a week. They pay through PayPal only, so this is your only option for receiving payment. With a low $5 cash out limit, you can get some extra cash pretty quickly. Before you can get started with the paid forum posts, you have to do 10 trial posts. The second is Kickstart Your Forums. Like Postloop, Kickstart Forums pays posters for every post made. The price is between 10 and 20 cents per post, as opposed to the average 9 cents per post on Postloop. For more information on paid forum posting jobs, visit the blog link in the video description.